The hell is it? Goddamn chickens in the trees. Goddamn chickens in the damn tree. They done up and done it. Got the chickens in the trees, man. What's up, my pimp? OG in the heads of Perezzo. Freezing his nauticals off. Keep it separated. You gotta keep it separated, baby. What it is, player. What it be like on the south side, mother trucker. Lift rocks, kick rocks, next thing you know you over rock. Yeah. Gotta keep it separated. What's up, pimp player? Pimp player. I don't have it on me to fight you right now. Come on. You gotta put this on. You wanna put this on? What let you think about it? You wanna go up? You gotta wear this. Wanna go up? You gotta wear this. Alright then. Then kick your butt. You wanna wrestle with a trucker? Alright, come on, let's go. Ah, you son of a bitch! That was my freaking kneecap, man. Why you had to throw all your weight at me, man? You think you're tough? You think you're a punk? I think you're a punk. I think you're a tough punk. OG kill. OG in the head, you see. You're not gonna play it out. What it is, what it is, what it earned. Shut up, Clyde. You're next. You can keep it separated.
Gotta keep it separated.
Yeah. Ha ha.
You know what we saying? You know what we doing, man?
What you doing, Pete? What you doing, Pete? Whoa, you bucketing it up. You getting your bucket on, man. Come on, pee pee poo poo, drop some doo-doo. My ass is cold. Come on, man. Come on, man. Drop that pooty. Drop that doo-doo. Pee pee poo poo. Drop some doo-doo.
Pee pee poo poo.
Pee pee poo poo. Drop that doo-doo. The frick you eating, chicken shit? Hey. What you fucking eating, chicken shit? Oh, grass? Aight. Go ahead. Get you some grass on, man. For real. Grass, eat up. Get your grass on, baby. Get your grass on, baby. Grass, eat up. Get your grass on, baby. Get your grass on, baby. Grass is good. People think, oh shit, the dog's eating grass, he's sick, man. Bullshit. Juju Valley, they're like 12 human years and they eat grass every day. And they solid as a rizzle. This dude's 7 human years and he's been doing the same. Come on, boy. Come on, it's time to go up. Pee pee poo poo, you gotta drop some deuce? You damn. You a bad bully. You's a bad bully. Bad bully. Bad bully. Bad bully. Bad bully. Bad bully. You know where we going home? Where you going, homie? You know your ass is. Come up in there, man. You know where you live. Act like you forgot where you live and shenanigans. Come on, take some love from my Oh, yeah. Oh, he's like, turn that freaking heater on and just shut up. I want my heater on now. That's all I want. Just shut up and put the heat on. What I asked for. Do it. Now. Heat. I want my heater. Alright, homie, I'll get you the heater. That's still a willa killer. Hilla, still a gorilla. Hey, Machiavelli, chill out, you flat slacker. You slacker the Dacula, slacker the lacula. Maca the Dacula. First smell like abracadabra. Hey, you better shut your mouth or I'll touch your mouth. You heard me. I did not stutter. I did not talk in clutter. I talk real without no stutter. Without a stutter, I bust undercover. I gotta come back, put the heater in, and put another mother trucker in the. I got you, homie. I'll come you up. Alright, that's us putting the dissolves up. Now I gotta close up Shizak for the day. Call it another day. Start fresh again tomorrow, right? That's how we do it around here. At Haven's Homestead. There's always something new at Haven's Homestead. You want to check on the chickens? Me too, me too. Just like I thought, a rooster hogging the damn heater system. Damn heater hogger. We got two heaters in there. We got a hogger. What the hell is that? Oh, that's my hat. What the frick, dude? Peace.